For many undergraduate and postgraduate students, research can feel overwhelming, especially when dealing with large amounts of data. This is where IBM SPSS Statistics becomes an incredibly useful tool. SPSS, which stands for Statistical Package for the Social Sciences, is widely used in academic research to organize, analyze, and interpret data quickly and accurately. Imagine conducting a survey on student stress levels, consumer behavior, or healthcare awareness. Instead of calculating everything manually, SPSS allows researchers to enter data into a simple spreadsheet-like format and perform statistical analysis within minutes. Students can easily generate tables, graphs, percentages, averages, and comparisons without advanced programming knowledge, making research far more manageable and efficient. One of the main reasons SPSS is popular among university students is its user-friendly interface. Even beginners can learn how to create variables, input responses, and run statistical tests such as frequency analysis, correlation, regression, and t-tests. These tools help students identify patterns, relationships, and meaningful conclusions from their research data. SPSS is especially valuable for postgraduate students working on dissertations and thesis projects. It helps improve accuracy, reduces calculation errors, and presents findings in a professional academic format. Researchers in fields such as education, psychology, business, healthcare, and social sciences frequently rely on SPSS to support evidence-based conclusions. However, learning SPSS is not only about clicking buttons or generating charts. Students must also understand the logic behind the statistics they use. Without proper interpretation, even accurate data analysis can lead to misleading conclusions. This is why combining statistical knowledge with practical SPSS training is essential for effective research. In today's research-driven academic environment, SPSS has become more than just software. It is a powerful academic tool that helps students transform raw data into meaningful insights, making research more organized, reliable, and impactful.